Everybody's rushing to get somewhere. It works like traffic light kind of thing. Change. Don't crash into me. Thank you. One thing is, they will run over you in here if you jaywalk. Look how amazing this is. So this place is so amazing. You got all this.
Welcome to my home.
Everybody's rushing to get somewhere. Oh, what do you think of this place? It's clean. It's full of people though. I don't know how to explain it. This place is magical. Gorgeous. Alright, the museum still don't fit. Alright, I am sweating a bit. We went from there, from that corner there, all the way there to get the zebra crossing because it's illegal to jaywalking. How much is a fine? So like something silly, innit?
I'm not too sure actually, but I know it's a crime.
It's a fine. People don't stop. Like literally, and you're the zebra crossing, and some people actually don't stop to give you the hey, yes, go for it. And she's already dressed for the occasion. Alright, let's go and have a look at this thing. Wow, look at that. Amazing. I must say I'm sweating. Another amazing thing, everything is down to detail. Don't matter where you go, on the underground. And that is the first bit of litter I have seen. Not seen a bit of litter anywhere other than here now. Probably blow down. And everything is detailed, look at that. And the wind when it blows, it's warm. Wow, look at, show you this now. Look at that. Wow. We have to go back again because we're on the wrong side of the road. So that was funny that. Alright, managed to get to the other side. There it is. Let's go in and see what it's like. £85 for jail walking. This is why we're walking so much. If you're going to Dubai, make sure you bring your soulmate with you. Don't matter how painful they are, just bring it with you. Just remember not to go jaywalking. So it works like a traffic light kind of thing. Change, boop,
Wait.
and we go. Don't crash into me, thank you.
It's like the UK.
One thing is, they will run over you in here if you jaywalk. Jay, oh okay, no jail. Look how amazing this is. Look. It's amazing. Tesla. Look at that. Is that another entrance? Entrance to the museum? Well, maximum weight, guys, remember to check your height and your truck. 4'5", so that's about 15 4. Ooh. Amazing. All right, how long have we been walking for?
4 days.
Not how long, about 30 minutes?
Yeah.
So, half an hour walk, and that is sweat. That's not even me, not even cream or anything like that. This place is huge looking compared to me. It doesn't, honestly, the camera doesn't make it out to be what it is. All right, I had to sit down because it's so warm outside. And I don't know my back, you tell me how my back looks. And you got this. It's amazing. Look at that. It's like checking his tail. Hello. Hiya. Can I pay you? Ah, I want petting. Ah. What do you think of the dog?
Amazing. Look at him run to the ladies.
This is not your usual truckers toilet. It's like amazing. Look at this. Immaculate. So close. It's made of something nice. You know what that's for? Clean. I must say that's the cleanest toilet I have ever been in my life. I'm not even joking. Where is the missus? Let's go. So after you've done what you gotta do, you go and show your tickets and they give you a wristband, which looks pretty cool to me.
It's a scam one, isn't it? Scam.
Yep. Oh, mine's upside down. I need to fix it in a minute. Oh yeah. It's a little bit of a queue in the morning, but imagine this place when the weather's good. It would be absolutely horrendous. Even the lift is a different experience. It looks like an egg. Get in there. It's a bit of a queue like. All the way there. Ooh, doesn't look that high from outside.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be a
Thank you. Going in. Oh wow.
DJ.
The reflecting everyone there. Reflecting that is amazing. So in 50 seconds, the whole floor's gonna up, and we're gonna be in a spaceship basically.
Spaceship launching supervisor. So your journey to the future will begin in a few moments. As you can see, we are just preparing the spacecraft for you, and your journey will start shortly.
My name is Aya. I'm a digital resident of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home.
This is the lift. Let's go right at the back. We're gonna go into space now, you know. It's huge. What was that?
The best day can't have ever experienced.
It's nice in here. It's about 16 degrees maybe, 13.
It's nice.
Very nice. Wow, it looks so real. So on this side you can see there's desert. On that side you can see it's like water, and it is more like desert kind of stuff as well. And we have arrived at the moon.
Please listen carefully and kindly do not touch or lean on any part of the models.
هذا الصرح الرائع هو محطة الفضاء المدارية.
So I go with my bandit, requester, and my face gonna go on down now. Let's see. Scan. Your face gonna get scanned now. Ha! Yes, apply now.
Squashed in my ear. I'm going to sit in the moon, we'll see.
Ah, we go on different locations. We are very high. We just come back from space. Woo.
The other side of the window, you will find the partial charging station and the great
Charge your car.
Russia.
And straight after that, go back to the dark room, so this is the healing area.
That's amazing over there because
It's
the
good, really.
Big Fair is obviously the tallest building.
It doesn't get any better. So this is DNA of every single animal you can physically imagine. Cat. Don't know what that is. Not too sure. Let me know in the comments if you know which one is. Oh wow, hyena. Lepra. Wow. It's hundreds today. It's hundreds. Oh, my favorite one now. So this is one of my favorite fish. It lives really deep in the dark side of the sea, like really far down. And that thing on the top of his head is a light. It's not for him to see, it's for him to attract all the animals in the deep water because it's dark. He shines his light so he can eat them. So that normally is in front of him, like something around there. So when the other fish come around, he just get a chance to eat them. So this place is so amazing. You got all this, and one side is the birds, one side is the fish, and one side over there is the lepers. Is all types. This place is amazing. All the insects as well. All of them. All of them. Wow. I wonder how long they take them to put all that into a bottle. Amazing. It's gorgeous. It's huge. So we get all the micro stuff as well. Like it, mind blowing. She doesn't want to get out. She's just so amazed about everything. Psst. Look at this.
Look how clean the lift is.
And all the floor and all that. Look at that. And the supercars of the future now. Continue journey. This place just keeps getting crazier and crazier. It's mental. So this is one of the amazing things about this. You step in and it moves. It's like when you walk on the sea. Wow. Meditation. Let's go and sit down now. Let's do it. I won't record the whole process because I want to enjoy this. Going grounding. Time to lay down and relax. Let's go and relax. And obviously before you leave, please make a wish. And it's all the languages there. Arabic, English, Spanish, all of it. For home. Para nuestros antepasados. Wow. And it just keeps going for days. You ready? Come on. Just taking pictures for days, which I don't blame me. This place is another level. This is amazing. And that's all the cars there. I have a little problem now, which is my battery is already dead. Pretty much I got like 2% to 4%. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can, but I'm running out of battery. I'm so sorry. I got another 2 levels to go down as well. If I can record anything else, I will. I'm gonna carry on the video, but if it dies, I'm so sorry. When I get back, I will tell you the rest of it. So I'm gonna get going. All right, back to another level. Whee! And we are in the car. This is our section, guys. It's not such a thing as tomorrow's today. So we got the Audi of the future. Obviously you can afford it. It's amazing. Look at that. It looks like it's 4x4 as well. I think when you open the doors, that opens down as well, so you can step on it. Step on it, hop in your car. Rear lights, amazing. I want to know what Audi is it. Like, it's definitely a 4x4. What a lot of people don't like. Camera, mirrors. That's gonna be most people's best friend in the future.
Hello human. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Museum of the Future.
Talk to her.
Unfortunately not. At the moment, I'm only programmed to speak English,
okay.
but I know a few words in Arabic. مرحبا. أنا اسمي أميكا.
That robe is one of the best things I have done. You can talk to her, and then you got all the stuff in here. I don't know what that one is for. Yeah, it's another side up there, and it's a spider with a cactus at the top. That's pretty cool. All right, this is one of the last places to see, and look at it. It's amazing. Look at that. Wow. Look at the whole Dubai. There's another level of this. Amazing. So this is one of the reasons why I booked everything between 8 to 10 o'clock in the morning. Look at this. Imagine queuing up in that.
This the roof.
But is it? Ah, there you go. That's floating somehow there. God knows. But make sure you book early in the morning only. Like I said before, I knew my phone was going to die, so came back and it's absolutely roasted. You can barely breathe out here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't, please subscribe. It would help me a lot if you like the video as well. Please do that, and I will see you in the next video as well. And if you like the Dubai ones, I might make more of them. So cheers guys.